So this morning, we're looking at a very interesting portion in the scriptures, one of my favorite portions, coming from Proverbs 23 verse 7, and it reads, "As a man thinketh." Today, our sharing is very interesting, and it is coming from Proverbs 23 verse 7, and it reads, "As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he." Our second scripture is Philippians 4 verse 8. This is also one of my favorite scriptures, which reads, "Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things." So, from the two scriptures that we have read, we can see that even the Bible emphasizes on the importance of mindset. Today we are looking at mindset, guys. One of the first things that you have to do in order for you to get out of poverty is to change your mindset. Change your mindset. Think on the things that you want. As individuals, as humans, we have this tendency of always looking at what is not working. What don't I have? What am I lacking? What is going on wrong? The news is filled with all these things, But we are being cautioned today as we begin today. Let us think on good things. Let us focus our minds on what is good. Let us focus our minds on what we want, not what we do not want. Okay? Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a good day and see you tomorrow on day 3. So I'm running this series on how to get out of poverty using biblical principles, and I'm sharing my learnings with you. If you found value in this video, drop a comment in the comment section. Let's connect, guys. And if you haven't, kindly like and subscribe to this channel. If you haven't, kindly like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this if you haven't already. I appreciate you guys so much. Have a good day. Remember to keep positive. For as a man thinketh in his heart, so is he, right? That's what we've learned today. We have learned a lot. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. Have a good day, guys. Go think positive.